Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox another Ooshies 4-pack surprise. If you watched my last video, you would see what I got last time and what these are. And if you want, you can watch that because I just posted it So these are pencil toppers, so you can put them on your pencils, and you can find the limited edition golden Buzz Lightyear, which I found. Okay, so there's like a checklist at the back, and green is you can get in a blind bag, purple is you can get in a 4-pack, orange you can get in a 7-pack. So like this furry Sully, which is limited edition, you can get in a blind bag because it has a green circle. This one, the golden Buzz Lightyear, you can get in a 4-pack because it has a purple circle. So you can get like this in a 4-pack and lots of cool things. So let's start unboxing. Oh, and there's a mystery hidden Ooshie in this capsule. Okay. Wait. Let me take this out. Okay, it's almost done. Oops. That was a powerful pull. Okay. Actually, I'll just pull this out, take the box away, and here we have our really cute characters. Let's get them out. So first, we have Jessie from Toy Story, and she's very squishy. Her hat too. And you can put her on your pencil. Leave it here. And Sully, the monster, but he's very cute. He's not a mean monster, he's nice and friendly. Okay. Actually, I'll do Dash first. Yeah, Dash is easier to get out. So Dash, this one can glow in the dark. And I'll show you how it glows in the dark later. Okay. Now just need to pull this out. Almost got it. Oh, the capsule fell. Okay, that's good though. This Sully's big, so it's hard to get it out. Okay, Sully's also very squishy. So, there are glow-in-the-dark ones I got last time in my new video that I just posted before. before. Okay, I got this glow-in-the-dark Mr. Incredible, and there's also a normal Mr. Incredible and a glitter one. And there's glitter hologram dash and normal dash, and there's the glow-in-the-dark dash. So there's lots of different types of ones. And I got the pearl Jessie. There's also normal Jessie, but I got the pearl one. And there's Sully. So there's Sully, normal Sully, which I have. And there's hologram Sully, I don't have. And there's furry Sully. So let's open this capsule. Whoa, we got... Well, let's see who we got. We got Trixie. Oh, yeah, from Toy Story. She's very, very squishy and flexible. She's common, but she's still very fun to play with. And she's also a pencil topper. So here, there's the checklist. So there's common, rare, and limited edition. I got series 1. So time to show you how Dash glows in the dark and Mr. Incredible that I got from the last Ooshies unboxing. Let me show you. Okay guys, so here they are. This is Dash and this is Mr. Incredible. They glow in the dark. Woo! Wee! Well, okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you want, you should really check out my first Ooshies video. Oh, and you should really watch my LOL Present Surprise Series 2 unboxing. It's really cool. Well, bye guys. See you next time.